everyone, welcome back with the new video. In this video, we will see how we can use VLOOKUP function and HLOOKUP function based upon the data we have. If we have the data which is in columnar form, we will use VLOOKUP function to locate the certain information. For example, if we want to locate name, position, and salary on the basis of employee ID, we can use VLOOKUP function. But if our data is in horizontal form, like this, then you have to use HLOOKUP function because VLOOKUP function will not be applicable here. Now let's see how we can use both functions to locate our data. First, we will use VLOOKUP function. We will use VLOOKUP function. In lookup value, we will select the cell where we will enter employee ID. We will table array, we will select the data. Press F4 to fix the data. In column index number, because we want the name and which are in the second column, we will use second, comma, and exact match false. And when we will enter the employee ID, employee name is being appeared. When we will change the employee ID, the name will change it again. Now we want position and salary as well. There are two ways to do this. First, we can copy the formula. We will just change the lookup value again back to employee ID. Positions are in the fourth column. We will change the column number to 4. And as you can see, we are getting the position. We will apply the same method again. We will again change the lookup value. Column will be changed to 6 because salary is in 6th column. And as you can see, we are getting the salary as well. But if you have newest version of Excel, you can use this instead of changing one by one. In column index number, open the curly bracket, use second column, comma, fourth column, comma, sixth column, close curly bracket, and hit enter. As you can see, name, position, and salary are being appeared. Now we will use HLOOKUP function. For lookup value, we will select the cell where we are going to enter employee ID. In lookup table array, we will select the table. We will press F4 to fix the table. For row index number, because we want the name and salary, the name is in second row, we will use 2 false for exact match, close bracket, and as you can see, when we will enter the employee ID, the name will appear. Now for salary, we have two ways to do it. First, we can copy the formula here. We will change the lookup value again back to employee's ID. As you can see, the salary is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 column. We will choose the row index number 6 and hit enter. As you can see, salary is being appeared. When we will change the employee ID, name and salary are being changed as well. The second method is, instead of changing formula again and again, open a curly bracket, use second row, enter this, and sixth row, close curly bracket and hit enter. As you can see, name and salary is being appeared. If you like the video, do follow the channel.